Hello, today I'm sharing a super easy, savory, dairy-free, keto-friendly mushroom scones. Some parts of the world call this biscuit. Crumply cookie-like outside and moist cake-like inside. Simply yummy. Made of 100% almond flour, it is healthy and gluten-free. All it takes is 30 minutes. No kneading and no proofing required to get delicious scones. Here are the ingredients. I have used cream of tartar and baking soda in this recipe. You can substitute this with baking powder. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Use this time to start preparation. Chop the tomatoes and mushrooms into chunks. Peel and mince garlic finely. If you are using a garlic presser like me, peel the garlic and set aside. Crack eggs. Then add oil to the eggs. Beat eggs and oil together until completely mixed. Select a big mixing bowl. Add almond flour, salt, and rosemary, followed by baking soda and cream of tartar. Next, press in some garlic, and then finally add the chopped tomatoes and mushrooms. Mix together well. Add the eggs and the oil mixture. Mix till the color of the dough is uniformly light yellow and feel moist and slightly greasy. Roll the dough into balls of about the size of golf balls. Place them on a parchment paper with some space in between. Flatten each ball to thickness of about 1 cm. Let it bake for 16 to 18 minutes. Remove from the oven. Each piece should have risen slightly and the crust should be slightly golden brown. Leave to cool down slightly before removing and serving. Best to enjoy the scones when warm. The remaining can be refrigerated up to 3 days. Warm up in the oven to enjoy them again. Happy baking and eating these delicious scones for breakfast or tea breaks. Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.